All right, guys, it's a beautiful day in Southern California. We've had a lot of rain lately, and it is a perfect 80-degree day. So I want to install this FRS rear duckbill spoiler. Yeah, so I want to go ahead and install that. But before I can do so, the car's really dirty, so I want to go ahead and get it cleaned up. A little $5 make me holler. Clean it up, wash it, get it all whatever. And we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys, car's just been washed. Let's do a freeway run so we can get her dry. Oh, so sick to my stomach. That diffuser on my car came up. Well, it was on the freeway. I'm sure I'm gonna get some looks. I knew it was gonna do it, and it did it. I'm just straight up shaking right now just because of the rear diffuser. It didn't fly off and hit a car, all right? It's still on the car. It started flapping all hard and stuff, and I'm fortunately close to home. I'm gonna side street it and just go really slow. Hopefully it don't fall off. I don't want to be tearing it off in a parking lot. Oh my gosh, guys. I just can't even today. All right, guys, I made it safely to my house. I didn't hit anybody with any random flying parts. Maybe I should get a sticker. Random flying parts. Let's do this. All right, so let's see. Oh, it's down, but I'm telling you, I heard it. I heard it flying up. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So it must have been like... I'm taking this junk off. This is just ruining the car. Waste of money, guys. If you're thinking about it, don't do it. All right, I'm going to remove this now. All right, guys, I finally got all that gunk off and everything. You know, that really sucked. And I'm glad that it didn't fly off and hit a car, because then I'd be dealing with a insurance claim. So it's all off. The best method I found is just sit there. And I mean, this goes without saying for some of you, but for me, I just had to roll it a little bit at a time. I mean, it took me like a half an hour, 20 minutes to get it off, but it's off now. I got to hit it with a little wax grease remover right there, but overall it's off. So let's take our focus to the rear end. In my opinion, the rear end looks really bare on these cars, and even with the spoiler that they offer, I still think it looks kind of plain. To solve this solution, I have purchased this bad boy. We are going to install this right now, and I cannot wait to see how this turns out. So you think I would be a glutton for punishment, considering I just had a part try to fly, well, it had a part almost fly off from foam tape, and I'm about to reinstall another one using foam tape, and this one actually applies somewhat downforce. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like a wing or anything, but nonetheless, it will be catching a lot of wind, so who knows? Anyways, I'm gonna go and install that right now and cross our fingers. Hopefully it comes with something better to adhere to the car, even though it's the cheapest one I bought on eBay. And cross our fingers, hopefully it goes well, like my louvers. I do love the louvers, guys. Still no problems, washed it, still hanging on strong, nothing, no issues. The only thing that I wanna make sure that you guys are aware of is when it comes to the louvers, if you go to look, let's say out that back quarter window or this one to see if there's traffic coming, it's now limited vision. So just keep that in mind. For me, I can deal with it, use my mirror, stuff like that, and lean forward and stuff. But just something to make a note of. If you are planning on buying them, it will obstruct the vision out of the window, and I don't know why I didn't think about it. All right, I'm rambling. Let's go ahead and get to work. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. It's a big box considering it's not that big of a spoiler, but maybe because it's rounded or whatnot, but yeah. So this part literally came with nothing to attach it with. No hardware, no foam tape, nothing. It is ABS plastic. I'm not too thrilled about this one. And then let's go ahead and get a look at this here. All right, so it looks like it's painted, or maybe that's like a gel coat or something, but if you look closely, you can see that it's like exposing like the white part right there, which is sucky, and right there. So if you get this one, it's gonna need some finishing work. And I was hoping to just throw this on here. The underside actually looks nicer than the top. Let's go ahead and throw this on the car and see how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and check this out now. All right, you know what? I have a feeling this isn't even the right spoiler that I ordered. I'm gonna go ahead and check my phone and make sure that I got the right part. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but this is what I thought I was getting, and this is what I got. That is not the same thing. It looks like a standard stock FRS lip. I don't like it. The fitment is just junk, guys. I mean, if you push it up on the top, the back's gonna lift off, and it's just like carved there and it's all choppy. You would have to like really sand this down, reprime it, and then also see if you could get the fitment dialed in. When it comes to a spoiler, I say actually invest in a higher quality one for sure, because this one's not gonna cut it. So anyways, I'm gonna repackage this and send it back. All right, Captain Big Beard. I just finished my latest mod, and it was like $10.
$10 mod, huh?
Yes.
Sweet suds, Mr. Zadir.
Would you like to see it?
Yeah, let's check it out.
I want your opinion.
I'll give it to you.
All right. All right, do you see the mod?
I see it. It's a partial wrap job.
What? And how do you feel about this partial wrap job?
Let's go ahead and give gander.
Don't look at the back.
What? Too late, I'm back here.
What do you think of the back? Is it yurdy?
No.
You don't like the back?
I don't.
See, I thought the back was too much too. What do you guys think? Too much?
I like the side.
Side?
I like the front.
El fronto.
I think it gives it a nice pop at the right place. It's almost like your camera strap. Nice. Subtle pop. Right place. That's
camera strap, just like my camera strap.
They're just gonna have to believe us.
I think I might have been inspired.
Wait, hold on. It's not the only thing. It's just slight.
Maybe my outfit might have inspired it. Well, I had 2 fails, so I needed a win. All right, guys, I had 2 losses. eBay losses and 1 win. I consider that a win. I appreciate having you guys every week, bi-weekly sometimes. If you like what we're doing here on Modified Crew, feel free to give me a like, comment, or thumbs up, or whatever you want to do, 2020 style, and I will see you on the next one.
2020.